Welcome friends, welcome back to Cocktails After Dark. Today we're going to do another cocktail out of this 1930 cocktail book, Cocktails, by Jimmy, late of Ciro's. And we're going to do something called the Dunlop. And it's a really simple, straightforward cocktail. It asks for specifically a Jamaican rum. So I'm going to try two different rums and see which one we like better. First off, I'm going to start with this Diplomatico. It's a really nice aged 8-year rum. And then we're going to do Appleton Estate in this other one. Again, a nice aged rum. Next in, it asks for sherry. This is a Solara sherry. This is the only one I have. Easiest one to get where we live anyway. And the same amount of sherry in this other cocktail. Then a dash of bitters in each. And then, of course, we ice and stir. Okay, I've got 2 glasses iced down. And the first one is the Diplomatico. There we go.
Hey, Glenn.
Hey, Jules.
Hey, friends.
The Dunlop.
The Dunlop. Okay.
So I've made it 2 ways. One with Diplomatico and one with Appleton Estate. So let's see which one.
Oh, it smells super sweet.
Mm-hmm.
It's got a sharp flavor to it
Okay.
in there. I don't really know what that one is. Okay. And?
I like this one better.
Yes. I
Okay.
agree. I like that one a little bit better.
I would drink either of them.
Yeah. It's a very, very subtle.
Yeah.
I like this one a little bit better than that one.
Than that one, but
like,
it's not much different. I don't know that if I was sitting somewhere I would order 2 of them. I wouldn't come back for a second one. I'd have it, I'd say, oh, that's really nice. Can I have something else next time? And part of that might be the sherry. I'm not a huge sherry drinker. I use it in cooking. You've seen me cook with that bottle of sherry a few times. You've seen me use it in cocktails on the cocktail show, and I usually don't like any cocktail that I've put it in. So this is a bit of an exception that I actually enjoy this cocktail.
Okay. I'm amazed you can remember all that.
And there's probably, I know that people, every time I pull that bottle out of the fridge, people tell me all of these different sherries that I could be drinking.
If only we could get them.
Yes.
Yeah.
Liquor is one of those really sort of crazy things. It is very regional. There are brands that are massive that you're going to get everywhere. Everywhere on the planet, you are probably going to find Appleton Estate.
Yeah.
Huge
good solid
brand,
rum.
great distribution everywhere. But other things have spotty distribution, and one of them is sherry, and there aren't too many that are actually available to us. Maybe when we can travel again, we can bring some back. Maybe by the time you're watching this, we could be traveling again. Thanks for stopping by. See you again soon. I might have a little bit more of that.